Hey, Alex Johnson here with Ridgeline Roofing and Restoration. I am at David Pontius' house to do a repair attempt. This is the shingle I'm going to replace. And then as you can see, the shingle's above it, no creasing or anything like that on it. Since there is not a single shingle here in the market like I explained to you that matches it, I'm just having to put a 3-tab shingle up because this is at least the same color, so I'm gonna put that up and yeah, I'm gonna get this repair attempt started. Let's see what happens. Let me see.